Okay guys, I took a break to open this Amazon package I got. The laundry and everything is all there. I think I just gotta finish up like the top of my dresser. And then I'm not really gonna organize the closet because I don't feel like, okay, I just wanna wait. But I'm thinking of doing 2 things for the closet right now. I haven't really decided, so I don't want to do anything yet until, guys, this sun is directly in my eye and I can't even see myself in the viewfinder. Is it? I think I'm dark. It's dark, huh? It is dark. This is terrible, man. I'm really sorry. Like, it's directly in my eye. Is this better? It's not. But there's really not much I can do right now. Can you see? So I got a camera because I need a camera, and I just got some pan also because I needed something to make this $25 for the overnight delivery. So I'm just gonna use this too. I needed a face wash anyways, like a acne treatment one, and I heard this is great, so I'm gonna use this. Alright guys, this is the camera. Oh my god, it's actually really light. That's the thing, you plug it into the wall, and these are the instructions. Hi guys, I don't remember the last time I picked up the vlog or what was going on, but today is Tuesday and I just left class or here, and I'm so hungry, but we got some Amazon packages, so we're gonna open a few. Guys, don't mind that, okay? And I have a trip in like, oh my god, I leave for my trip next week, and I just realized that. Like while I was at class today, I was like, the professor was talking about dates, and I was looking at it like, what? I'm pretty sure, like, cause when I planned my trip, I made sure I was not gonna miss class because I already missed too many days, and so we missed one more day, then it's an automatic 0. So I tried not to. Oh, wait, is this my package? Hey, this is my package. Okay, guys. I don't even know which is which, okay? Okay, these are for the cabinet. Acrylic? I thought I got wood. Okay. No, guys, it's acrylic. Oh no. Do not place in dishwasher. No spice jars. Okay, I knew that. Oh my god, no. I seriously thought I got a wood one. Oh. So my lens isn't here. These are the spice racks, y'all. Hold on. Let me open this up for y'all. You don't see them? They're cute, huh? Like stuff. Let me check. They must have delivered it at the mailbox. Okay, it's time that it was left on front porch. Could this be it? This is it, guys. Oh my god, look. It was it. Hold on. Get into this lens. I'm so excited. Research on lenses, and I was contemplating between the Vlogmas, am I saying that right? Lens, the 13mm 1.4, and then the Sigma. Ah, guys, look. Also the SD card. Okay, SD card. Okay. Cleaning and accessory kit. Okay. The lens thing. Yeah. The cleaning thing. Oh, it looks used. It has been used, huh? It's been used, y'all. Cause look, it's definitely been used. Guys, they sent me a used. Okay, so it's supposed to be like this, and they literally, Amazon is slacking so bad. Cause it's supposed to be like this, and it's used, and I didn't buy a used product. Send me the real one. What the hell is this, guys? Oh my god. No, this shit is literally used. Are y'all seeing this? I am not happy right now, but I'm happy, but I'm not, but I am, but I'm not. How can I buy something expecting it to be new and it's used? I literally have it. It's quite heavy though. So excited.